This is Christine, and today I'm going to show you the basic step of applying video effects. During this video, you will learn how to apply video effects to both single and multiple clips by using Adobe Premiere. First, let's import the video. After you import the video, you can drag the video directly onto the timeline to edit. After you have your clip in your timeline, select the video clip you want to apply the effect to. Open the video effect panel and choose the effect you want to apply to your video. You can find the effect panel by selecting the effect tab over here. There are many options I can choose from. The first option I'm going to show you guys today is the color correction. I'm just going to directly search the effect that I want in the search box. Over here, the one that I want is the lumetri color. I drag it directly into the panel in order to edit my clip. Now, I want to adjust the white balance of my clip. This is located in the basic correction menu. Since I'm using the white balance effect, I use the eyedropper tool to set the white balance by selecting the white area in the video. This is to tell the Premiere to base on the color I choose to adjust the color of whole video. If you like your effect setting and you want to apply it to another project, you can save it as preset. This will allow you to save the setting and reuse it again on another video project instead of readjusting and reapplying the effect. Now, I'm gonna try to use the preset I just saved on a separate clip. To add a video effect to multiple clips in your timeline, add an adjustment layer above the clips you want to apply effect to. Now over here I have two separate clips. I'm going to add an adjustment layer so I can just directly apply the effect to both videos at the same time. I'm going to add the preset I just saved from previous video, which is the white balance, and you can see the difference between it after I apply the effect. Over here, I'm turning on and off track visibility of adjustment layer by clicking on the eye icon next to the timeline. This will allow me to see the difference between before and after I apply the effect. As you can see, I can see the color difference before and after I apply the adjustment layer because I'm using the white balance effect. Now that I have my adjustment layer with white balance, I will apply transition effects between two clips. This is located in the effects panel under video transition. To add the effect, I simply drag and drop the transition between my two clips. When I play the video, I can see my transition is applied. Now you know how to apply effects to your video. Save custom effects setting as your preset and apply effects to an adjustment layer. These are all ways to help save your time as you edit your videos. And as a reminder, effects can be added to clips using the effect panel. Applied effects can be adjusted using the effect control panel that shows up once you select the clip. This video is to show you how to apply effects while you're editing video, and I hope you like it and find it helpful. Thank you for watching.